Welcome. If you've ever accidentally liked a message in an Instagram group chat and wished you could take it back, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unsend a like from a group on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. No more awkward moments or unwanted notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll find it either on your desktop or by searching for it in your applications. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages. Scroll through your conversations and find the group chat where you want to remove your like. Click on the group to open the chat window. Now, take a moment to locate the specific message you liked. It might take a second if the chat is busy, but once you spot it, you're ready for the next step. Next to the message you liked, you'll notice 3 small dots. Hover your mouse over the message, and the dots should appear. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu of options. This is where the magic happens. In the menu, you'll see the option to unsend. Click on Unsend, and a confirmation prompt will pop up just to make sure you really want to remove your like. Confirm your choice by clicking Unsend again. And that's it. The like is gone, as if it was never there. No one in the group will see your like anymore, and you can breathe easy knowing your reaction has been completely removed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.